Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel the Forex Nexus. In this video we will explain about the exit point on Bbma strategy, that if you take a trade and then on which point you will get exit and to collect your profits. Before going to that discussion, if you are new and first time watching our channel, please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Also join our telegram group, telegram channel. The link is in description. You can click on that and join our telegram channel, and also you can join our discussion group. So the question is, in last video someone asked about the exit point, and also the Bbma traders are getting confused about the exit points, that if you take a trade then on which point you will get your exit. So let me show you. First of all, as you know, for Bbma we use codes like reentry extreme or reentry extreme MHV or MHV or reentry MHV and extreme. Now let me explain with an example. This is gold chart daily time frame. This is reentry on MA 510 high, and this one is also a reentry on MA 510 high. If you have patience and you are good in money management, if you got this trade, so you can hold for 1, 2 and 3 candle. Remember, note this point: on first time frame you will hold your trade for 3 days. If this is daily time frame, so for 3 days, 3 daily candles. This is the first take profit on the closing, the second day closing, and the third day closing. You need to close all your trades. But if you are good on money management, because sometimes the market unexpected move and you can make a losses, or you can miss lots of profits on holding trades. The second option is you can draw your Fibonacci. Okay, you have the setting up the Fibonacci levels. I also send it in the Telegram group and channel, both this and discussion group, also in the channel. You can see, you can make changes in your favor setting. So when there is an exit point, you can also exit on that. But if you are not using any Fibonacci levels, using only Bbma, so the first take profit is the first exit is to hold your trades for 3 candles on first time frame. Now if you let me mark this daily area. Okay, move to its second time frame. This is your second time frame on for the daily reentry. If you got this trade here, this is your stop loss above the MA 50. You need to close your trade here on the low BB of second time frame, so you will get a good risk and reward. Let me count entry, and almost 1:2. Why second time frame low BB? Because when the market make momentum, when the market make momentum, there is always possibility that the market will go for the re-entry on second time frame. Now let me show you this one as well. re-entry on H4 time frame, move to H1 and they take profit as low BB, second time frame H1. Here we got our trade. The stop loss is 30 pip and they take profit as 80 pip. It's all 83 pips. It's almost 1:3. So these are the tricks how to take profit. So there are 3 ways, 3 candles rules on the first time frame. Use Fibonacci. You can download sitting from the Telegram group, and the third one is second time frame low BB. Why I am suggesting the second time frame low BB? Because sometimes the market making momentum and then on second time frame it's making momentum, then it's going retrace back to the MA 510 high if the trade is in sell direction. If the trade is in buy direction, then the market will retrace back to MA 510 low and you can re-enter again. Remember, for every trade, for each entry, you need to make confirmations that your trade must be within codes, no rules of violation. Then you can hold your trades. If you violated the rules, you will get nothing. So let me repeat again the first time frame. Identification of trade on first time frame. If you identify a trade here, like this is a re-entry, okay, so you can re-entry on first time frame, second and third candle you need to close. On any time frame you identify, and remember one thing, always take a trade on mature time frame. Myself, I am using the H4 time frame for re-entries because it's making good confirmation and the time frame is also matured. Here on US 30 it's moving up to the upper band, and the EMA 50 is getting outside of the upper band. H4 retracing back to MA 510 high, and MA 15 will form extreme here. So if we got extreme plus MLV, then we will take a trade. If we didn't got any confirmation, we can easily skip our trade. So this is the lesson for those who was asking about the exit points. So I explained in 3 ways. First time frame 3 candle holding, second time frame, second way is to use Fibonacci, and the third way is second time frame low BB or upper BB. Myself, suppose I take 2 trades according to my equity. I hold first trade for 3 candles take profit, and the second I am closing my trade on low BB on the second time frame. So if you have any question related to Bbma, ask me in the comment section below, and keep sharing the videos with your friends because this is the first Bbma lessons that you can get it free of cost. So give the value to your free lessons and keep it sharing. Thank you for watching the video.